Did your phone have a problem after the update? How to downgrade the Android version on a Xiaomi phone. Downgrade from MIUI 13 and Android 12 to MIUI 11 and Android 10. Touching the MIUI version option 7 times in the About Phone settings will enable developer options. Here we see that OEM unlock is enabled and the bootloader is unlocked, which are required for downgrading. In the phone downgrading process, if a Xiaomi or Google account is active, it's recommended to remove them from the device before proceeding. First, download the older firmware version for your phone, and then extract it using the 7-zip application. Run the Hydra Tool program and select the phone model. Power off the phone. Click on Boot Info, hold down the volume down button, and connect the phone to the computer. Usually, a backup of the phone's security partitions is automatically taken, so that if you encounter a problem, you can use this backup. We select the firmware file that we downloaded and extracted. It's better to uncheck the preloader file. If the userdata file fails to write or gives an error, you can erase the userdata partition once and then write the userdata file again. Then, in the final step, we use Hydra Tool to bring the phone from flash mode to normal mode.